Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing well today. It is Sunday, April 30th, 2017, and I'm just going to do a quick analysis for the coming week, go over some of the potential trade alerts we will be sending out. So let's get to it. First off, let's look at the S&P 500. As we can see, it has last week it was at an increase of about 1.5%, and it reached almost close to its all-time high. So I am anticipating for it to either move within this range or continue going higher. That's my look on S&P 500, so that means stocks will be increasing. Now let's look at gold real quick. Gold has been dropping and it's got some support level out here, but I think it might drop close to either 19 or even $17. Let's do silver. Same situation with silver as well. Seems like it's dropping, so I anticipate that it's going to continue dropping unless it starts to find support here and starts to move back up. Now let's look at the dollar index real quick. What's happening with the dollar? The dollar has been in a bit of a downtrend lately. It was in an uptrend and seems like the uptrend is somewhat broken. So we might continue to see the dollar drop in value, which is, if you believe it or not, but from a currency's perspective, it's actually a good thing for a country if their currency is getting lower, because what that means is that perhaps more foreign investments would be interested in getting involved. So that's one of the things that is interesting about the currency market. Okay, let's look at our positions. So last week we took WUBA, which was one of the positions, which has done somewhat well. Then we have NUS, which is, I believe this was at $56, so maybe this one might be negative for a few guys. XPO Logistics, we're gonna see how it does starting this week. If it starts to drop below this, we might close this position for a very small loss. So we're going to keep monitoring this one. I feel like this might not continue moving up, but we're just going to be very cautious about it. Sarepta Therapeutics had a really nice day last Friday, and we are anticipating much higher moves within near $50. Gap is looking good too. Carbonite, now we had sent an trade earlier on this, and it has reached to 21.85. So 19.95 was the buying, and 21.8 was one of our first profit aims. So some people actually made money on that, and for them it's a closed position. But if you like, I would recommend that you move your stop loss to about $19.80 and maybe close half of your position. So this way at least you've taken some money out of the account and out of the position, and you have moved your stop loss to break even. So even if the stock goes against you, you still profited from it. It's one of the very key management strategies that we have, and you will see it more in action as we move forward. AMD is starting to show weakness, so I'm going to keep an eye for this one as well. We might just need to close this position and limit our losses. IPXL might actually be one of our upcoming positions, and we plan on taking it at $14.40 with a stop at around $11.80. Now let me just put this out here. So $14.40 will be the buy price, and we can actually put in at $11.80 as a stop, and we can perhaps look If this breaks out, there's a very good chance that this stock can easily go to $21. So out here until the next resistance. So we'll be keeping an eye for that, and we'll send you guys detailed alerts. ZAGG is another one that we are looking at, and I believe if it goes above $7.45, that this stock can easily go to about $8.50. So you could be making $1 a share on this one. So let me just actually put the details on this. This way it's more convenient. It has 7.45, and let's put a green color, and we'll put a stop near, I would say, yeah, $6.50 would be good. I think it's a good stop. So always limiting our risks, that is very important. So we are risking about 95 cents a share, and I do anticipate that this stock can easily go to even $9 or $10 for that matter. But we can at least make $1 a share return on this. Okay, Terraform Power. I believe if it goes above $12.95, we can anticipate it to continue upwards into the $15 range. So there's a lot of potential with this stock. So yeah, let me edit $12.95 to buy it at, and probably put this out here at $11.88 as our stop loss. It's very important for us to know our risk, and I think that's the beauty of running any kind of business. If you can make calculated risks and have a high probability system, then the potential for reward can be huge. The next one is Groupon. Groupon is very, very interesting here. I think I would be looking at $4.19 to buy Groupon. There is, yeah, so let's do that. Let's put a okay, I don't know why this is coming up. $4.19 to buy, and probably put at $3.55 as my stop. $3.54. Yeah. Okay. And the potential with Groupon is, I think it can easily go into the $5.50, $6 range, and if you're being too hopeful, it can even go over $7. So really unique in that sense. Quad Graphics, I would be looking to buy it at around $27 and putting a stop near, yeah, $23.20. Same thing here. I might buy it around $31.07. As you can see, I have put track prices right here, so that would be the buying prices. And Zillow Group, it's increasing in value, so I think I would buy it at around $40.02 or $39.82. Yeah, so once it breaks out above here, it can continue to go into the 45s. I would say this one at, yeah, the high of this, and it has potential to go to, wow, this one can actually really shoot up in the 70s. Wow, there's so something to look out for. This one, again, we're going to be looking to buy it around $15.83 and anticipate about $18 for Lexicon Pharmaceuticals. Amcor Technology is near its 5-year high, so if it goes above $12.50, it's a good buy, and we will be sending you guys alerts. Fold is another position that I think we can take once it hits close to $8, because this one can actually in my opinion, go all the way to like $10-11. So there's a lot of potential with that. Ions Pharmaceuticals around $49.55. GLBL, which is Terraform Global, $5. I would buy this stock at around $5 with a stop around $4.50. And the potential for this one is it can easily go to like $7. A stock like this can just shoot up to $7, $8. So the returns can be very high. Alkermes, I would say, yeah, close to $59-$60 a share is where we're looking. And as you can see that this stock can move a good 15% upside. Now this is one of the gold mining stocks that I have, and it's showing strength. So if we start to see that gold in general is showing support level at the current price, this stock can actually start to go up. And so we're looking at about $48 to buy this stock at, and I think it has potential to go in the 50s or even higher. Now Prothena Corporation, we would be looking to buy it around, yeah, $57. And same thing, that it has potential to move higher. Ambarella, could be looking to buy this at around 58, 57. Yeah, I think I would actually buy this at 57.57. Yeah, so around $57.50, and it has potential to go into the 60s. And this is CSX Corp, which is the railroad company. I'm actually going to be looking at this because this is near, as you can see, all-time high, just like the S&P 500. So increase in this can break out above this, can continue going higher. So that's that. Well, guys, these are the stocks picks for this coming few weeks, and inshallah we will keep you posted with how our positions look. Until next time, assalamu alaikum.